Okay, so now we are going to do some practice equations for calculating demand elasticity. So here you can see I've drawn a graph, and my graph is depicting packs of mechanical pencils. And here are the prices that it could be sold at, and these are the quantities that would be purchased at those prices. So we need to figure out, is this product elastic or inelastic? And we have to use our equations that we talked about in today's lesson. So the first thing we need to do is we need to calculate the percent change for demand. So looking here, our original quantity demanded is 700, and our new quantity demanded is 300. So you subtract 700 minus 300 over 700. Remember, you take original quantity demanded, subtract new quantity demanded over original quantity demanded. And in this case, we would get 0.57. Now, before we calculate change in price, we need to convert this to a percentage. And the first way we're going to do that is we are going to move our decimal to the right 2 times, and this now would be 57%. Now we have to do the same thing for price. Percent change in price is calculated in the same way that percent change in demand is calculated. You have to look at what your original price is and subtract your new price. So my original price was $5. I was selling 700 packs of mechanical pencils at $5. So $5, our new price now is now $7. And we put that over $5. Okay. And in this case, we actually get a negative number, negative 0.4. And just like we did before, we have to convert this to a percentage. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move my decimal over 2 places, place my decimal there now, which would now make this negative 40. But now I also have to eliminate the negative sign, and it just becomes 40%. Okay, so now I'm going to take my percent change in demand, which was 57%, over my percent change in price, which is 40%, divide, and you should get 1.425. Okay, now remember, if your number is equal to 1, it's unit elastic, less than 1 is inelastic, and greater than 1 is elastic. So in this case, our number is greater than 1. So this would be an elastic product. Okay, let's do a second equation. Now we're going to talk about cups of coffee. Okay, and in this case, you were selling coffee for $3 and selling 12 cups of coffee, and now you're selling your coffee for $2 and you sell 16 cups of coffee. So we need to start first with our quantity demanded. So originally we had 12, now we have 16. You place that number again over 12, and you should get 0.33. Eliminate your negative, move your decimal to the right twice, and now you have 33%. Same thing for price. My original price was $3. My new price is $2 over $3, which was my original price. And now I get 0.33. Move your decimal to the right, put a percentage sign, and now you have 33%. 33% over 33% equals 1. And remember, if your equation equals 1, it is unit elastic, meaning that as your change in price is occurring, the same rate of change is happening in your quantity demanded. So it's a 1-to-1 ratio, causing unit elasticity in this case.